In this video, we are going to see how you can create the best offer and also an offer adapted to your product. So first, what is the purpose of an offer and why is it interesting for you to think about the offer you are going to make? First, it helps you to differentiate yourself from the competitors and it helps you to be more attractive than your competitor. And if you have a better offer than your competitor, the customer, of course, will choose to buy on your website instead of the website of the competitor. Second, it gives your customer a reason to buy right now. Okay, if you do, for example, a time-limited reduction, if you create some urgency to purchase, it helps the customer to decide to buy right now. And of course, in the meantime, it increases the conversion rate, which helps you to make more money. It gives also the legitimacy to the promotion you are offering, okay? Because if you only put like 20% off on your product page, it doesn't have any sense and nobody will trust that, okay? They won't have any confidence in your website, and at the end, you will put an offer, but the offer will reduce your conversion rate because nobody will trust you. But if you justify your discounts, if you justify all the offer on your websites, it will increase the conversion rate, okay? That's the whole purpose of this video. So first, how to create urgency on your store. We create smart and suitable urgency because the purpose, as I said 2 minutes ago, is to increase the confidence that people have on your website. So what you can do, and my suggestion is to isolate the promotion and to do only the promotion on one target product, your main product, for example, okay? You don't do reduction on all the website because it's weird. Nobody does that, okay? There is no big brand that does a promotion on all the website, okay? Don't set a time limit. Create urgency with stock levels, okay? It will increase the conversion rate because they can't verify that. And if you, for example, say that the promotion ends in 1 hour or in 6 hours or in 24 hours, they know that they can come back later and still benefit of the promotion, okay? But if you say there is only 10 items left in stock, they don't know how much time it will take. And they don't know if the offer would still be available in the next hours. And even if the product would be still available, because the problem is the stock and not the time. So this is a small adjustment that you can make on your offer, but it will change everything. Mention the regular price in customer reviews. This is a very smart way to make your customer understand and to make them trust that this is a real promotion and this is not a fake promotion. Speak about the regular price on the customer reviews. Add other products to your offer and mark them as sold out or display a sellout badge on the least popular variant. This is also very smart because we don't care. If nobody takes these variants, yeah, put it in sold out and you will see that the conversion rate will increase because they will see that the worst product is in sold out. So there is no chance that the best product will stay available for the next hours. So they will directly buy the product. And when you do promotion, do a maximum 20 to 30% discounts for all the markets. And if you are selling in the US, you can be more pushy, like do 40 to 50%. It can work, but don't go above that, okay? Don't do more than that because otherwise nobody will trust you. So to give you an example, this is one of my websites and I displayed a sellout badge on the last popular variants and it helps me to increase the conversion rate. And secondly, I set not a time limit, but a stock level limit, okay? Don't set a time limit because, as I said, if you say that there is a promotion only today, yeah, today. But because if you say that there is a promotion only today, yeah, that's maybe true. But it means that if it is 9 a.m., the person can come back later tonight and the offer will be still available. But if this is a stock level offer, yeah, they will buy directly, okay? Next, the complementary products. So what you can do is create an offer that they can't miss. And for that, you can offer them a free ebook with every purchases, okay? If they purchase the main product, they will get a free ebook. You can write it with ChatGPT, okay? It won't be long, and it increases the purchase value of the products. And it means that if they're hesitating because there is this free gift inside, maybe they will buy the product, okay? Or you can offer them a useful complementary product, for example, a gift box, if the product can be offered. And if, for example, there is Christmas in 1 month, you can obviously think and know that the products that they are buying, they buy it to offer it. So if you propose them to include a free gift box, it can increase also the conversion rate. Okay, you can also do, of course, the buy one get one offer or buy two get one for free offer. If the product allows it, okay, don't do that. For example, so you don't sell phone, but if you were selling phone, of course that it doesn't make any sense to do a buy one get free offer on phone. Okay, but what you can do, for example, is to do a buy one phone get one phone case for free. And in that case, yeah, it will increase the conversion rate, okay? But do this type of offer only if the product allows it, okay? And also watch your profit margin and the relevance of the offer, because I saw too many times beginners that were doing buy two get one offer, and yes, they were making more money, but they were making less profit. And it's not the goal and the purpose is not to do as much revenue as possible, is to make as much profit as possible, of course, okay? And I will give you some other offer ideas. You can do, of course, offer based on your store's storytelling. You can say it's the founder's birthday today, so you have 30% off today or this week. You can say that it's the once a year the founder offers temporary promotions. It can work, yeah, very well. What you can do is also propose an offer based on the seasonal holiday marketing, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, etc., etc. It works pretty well because, for example, if you do an offer on the Black Friday, everyone will think that it's true because, of course, it's the period where everyone does offer on the website. Okay. And last thing we can do something like private sale, clearance sale offer. It works also well. So don't abuse of that, but try to renew the offer and try to also try different offer. Okay, maybe buy one get one doesn't work on your product, but buy two get one for free will work. Okay, for example, on the braid I have funded like a few years ago, we tried an offer, we were not profitable, then we changed the offer, we made more than 1.5 million. Okay, so the offer can change everything, and you can be not profitable, change the offer, and become profitable. So that's why you really think to apply what I said on the video to increase the conversion rate and at the end to increase the benefit of your store.